Hi guys, here with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime. And so today I was going into the Toyota app. So what I noticed is a little health notice here. So, I know I'm due for my 10,000 mile service. So anyway, I went in and lo and behold, I see a safety recall pop up. So again, I have another one down here for, to let me know, hey, I got maintenance due. I'm due for my 10,000 mile service. So, that I expected. But I see this issue with the safety recall. And I'm just wondering if that is related to, it mentioned something about the door seals. So I'm going to show you actually, because I'm having an issue with my driver's side door seal. That I mentioned in an earlier video, where it's like prematurely wearing, and I'm going to show you guys. I'll show you guys that in 1 second. So yeah, so basically this this notice comes up, safety recall. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, hopefully you can. Safety recall notice. Basically talking about water can enter and short circuit the I guess the door locks while driving. So here's the description. Yeah, so water can enter and short circuit the electronic door latches. The remedy right now is not available yet. Obviously Toyota is working on it. I literally just got this, I guess it was on Tuesday. So let me, just real quick, I just want to show you guys what I was talking about. So on the driver's side, and I suspect it's probably the same thing that's going on. Hold on 1 second. I think it's the same thing that's going on, because I think it's these door seals. See how mine on the driver's side is worn prematurely? So again, I'm getting in and out on this side, so I'm wondering if we're looking at the doors here, if it's the same thing. It's maybe these seals are just really not very durable, and I'm wondering if you have passengers, getting in and out, that due to the way the car is like so, the way it's tapered and the way the car is so like tight, especially if you're tall, maybe if people are getting in, they're accidentally hitting these seals and wearing them. To be honest with you, obviously I'm using the car every day, and I'm only in and out on the driver's side. So, maybe inadvertently I am actually wearing the seal in the front, as you can see. So I'm just wondering, like I said, if that's, causing this issue. And then, like I said, if water, again, it's a door seal, so maybe water can get in. I mean, my car is usually garaged, except with the exception of, when I'm commuting and at work. So maybe it's not as exposed to the elements, but obviously, this is not good. So water can definitely, I'm sure water can get in between the door. I don't know, but it's already wearing, and I've only had the car since August. So anyway, I guess we'll know more. Toyota will reach back out to, I guess, me or and the other folks affected by it, and maybe they'll, who knows, maybe the issue is they'll replace the locks, or they'll replace the seal. I don't know. But in this case, I actually already have an appointment when I do my 10,000 mile service to address the issue and see what they're going to do. I'm really hoping that they do something. But anyway, wanted to mention to you guys that recall notice, show it to you, and if I get any more information, I'll definitely do a video on it. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have any more ideas or any more things you want to see on the vehicle. Thanks.